a special video today. We're gonna visit the inside of the Washington Square Hotel, which is a historic hotel. It actually was built in 1902 as Hotel Earl. That's when it first opened. And there was only one building. It was like this side of the building, the right side. And then later on, a twin building was added. It was originally only 8 stories, and then a 9th story was added, and then this addition later, I think it was by 1917, that 3-story building on that side was added. So extra good. A lot of famous people have stayed here over the years. In 1918, a young Ernest Hemingway stayed at the Washington Square Hotel for 3 weeks prior to entering World War I as an ambulance driver. Extra good. Bo Diddley was a regular at the hotel, staying here every time he played some gigs in the area. And in the 100th-year anniversary of the hotel, he did a live gig right here at the hotel. And in 1964, the Rolling Stones, when they first came to New York for their first tour, their residence was the Washington Square Hotel. Can't get better than that. In 1979, Dee Dee Ramone also stayed at the hotel. Amazing. We also have a special extra surprise, extra good. Hudson's gonna stay outside because this is not a dog-friendly hotel. I mean, he's a service animal, but we're gonna leave him outside and check it out. Okay, let's go. Upon our recommendation, our channel supporter Bessie Garcia and her family stayed at the Washington Square Hotel while visiting New York City from Tennessee. We met them and explored the hotel together.
Well, thanks to James and Carla, we're guests here at this hotel, and we found out that this artwork is by the current owner, and it's just beautiful.
Wow. So that's Julie's mom that we just met?
Yes.
Wow.
Some more over here.
Gorgeous.
And this paneling as well.
Wow.
So we have a very talented owner.
Extra good. So right now we're inside Washington Square Hotel. We're gonna go visit the restaurant, which actually has been here since 1910. And a lot of famous people have eaten here. So let's go check it out. Oh, it's definitely been redone, but I can imagine it back in the day with the booths, because you can see the booths are definitely, you know, been probably reupholstered, but there's cozy booths, and you can also enter from the street level as well. So, extra good. Here's the original restaurant. Like I thought, it was redone, but you can still get that same vibe. First building, twin building. Here's the last addition, which is the 3-story.
Okay.
Small, cozy elevator, but enough to fit a small family. So let's go upstairs. So guys, we're up on the 3rd floor now. Oh, and here it is. This is room 305 that Bob Dylan stayed at with Joan Baez in 1964. I'm gonna check out a different room on the same floor just to show you, about how a room would look. All right, so no no view here. You just have, this is, this is like a typical New York view. When you get an apartment in New York,
Right.
don't think that meaning that you have a window will mean anything. It could just be you face another building, and that's the case for the room that Bob Dylan stayed at. Oh, wow. Look at how narrow that is.
And this is the original.
Yeah, this is definitely the original. I agree. You can see. Because they just don't make them like this anymore. Oh, so she did the artwork for every floor, too. Wow, extra good. To get to the penthouse level on floor 9, there's a beautifully decorated small elevator. We love that the elevator has a cool black and white floor. This is the Penthouse King Room, complete with Art Deco styled furnishings and sweeping, gorgeous views of the city. The Penthouse King Room can be combined with the Penthouse Single Room next door to create a beautiful penthouse suite. The bathroom includes C.O. Bigelow bath amenities. Extra good. This is the private roof deck for the hotel, which has gorgeous city views facing north towards the Empire State Building and west views towards the Hudson Yards neighborhood. You can even see some more peaks of Greenwich Village. Really beautiful. You can see this is their rooftop garden. If you guys want to look down here, this is where they grow some of the vegetables that they serve at the restaurant. This old staircase leading downstairs to the lobby is absolutely gorgeous. Our friends took the elevator back to the lobby, but I wanted to check out some of the other floors and rooms as I descended. Here's a peek into another deluxe room on the 6th floor.
We spent a wonderful night at the Washington Square Hotel in the early 90s when we were first together.
Extra good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you'd like to further support our channel so we continue highlighting unique places, consider joining our Patreon page, where you get bonus perks for being a member. We also have some extra good channel merchandise. Please check out the links above. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
And be safe.